Guys, myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Today we'll be discussing about Alauddin Khilji, who is also known as Ali Gurshabs, who is the son-in-law of Jalaluddin Khilji. So please go through my previous slide, whatever has been made regarding Jalaluddin Khilji in a playlist. They have been given in an order. You may be given here about 800 plus question papers for various examinations. Don't miss them. So as you can see, when he attained the knighthood, he was completely free from the rulers and the order of Shariat, about which Sultan Barni cited this. We should remember during his time he has attained knighthood and completely free from the rulers. So he formulated Shariat, about which Sultan Barni cited, that is Alauddin Khilji. The Sultan who wanted to promote a new religion, but the ulamas opposed this, that is, he had opposed few new religious policies, that is Alauddin Khilji. As you can see, the Sultan of Delhi who assumed the honorary title of Sikandar Sani and Second Alexander. These are the two names for the Alauddin Khilji. One is Sikandar Sani and Second Alexander have been called for Alauddin Khilji. There is a Khalsa land was developed on the large scale. We should remember that Khalsa land has been developed in a large scale during the time of Alauddin Khilji. The Sultan that called himself as I told, Sikandari Sani or Alexander, that is Alauddin Khilji. The general of Alauddin Khilji, that is Malik Kafur, destroyed the Rameshwaram temple in his campaign against the kingdom of Pandya. This general of Alauddin Khilji, Malik Kafur, destroyed the temple of Pandyas. He was refused to follow the order of Khalifa. So we should remember that Alauddin Khilji refused to follow the order of Khalifa also. And the Khilji ruler assassinated his father-in-law in order to ascend the throne of Delhi. So we should remember father-in-law of Alauddin Khilji was, that is Jalaluddin Khilji. He was killed. Amir Khusro, as you can see, head of the Delhi library. So Amir Khusro was a musician, writer and scholar of Hindi and Persian language. So he was a good musician as well as writer and the scholar of Hindi and Persian languages. So he is known as Parrot of India. The appointment of spy officers were there during the time of Alauddin Khilji. Those are named as Barid and Mundi made. These have been made by the Alauddin Khilji. During the Alauddin Khilji time, the most number of Mongol attacks were taken place. As you can see, Diwan-e-Riyasat and Shahan-e-Mandi were nominated to control over market price. So there were few ministers. Those posts are Diwan-e-Riyasat and Shahan-e-Mandi. These two were the posts were nominated to control over the market price. Next we have, he believed in the God. He is a theist but not a theist. He believed in the God. Alauddin made the government independent from ulemas. He made independent from the ulemas and he defeated the Karnadeva of Gujarat and married with the Rani Kamla Devi. So after defeating Karnadeva, he had married with his wife Rani Kamla Devi. Next, the Mewad king Ratan Singh was killed and tried to marry Rani Padmavati. As we should remember that the Rani Padmavati was self-sacrificed by jumping in Agnikund, that is known as Jovar. So she sacrificed herself, which is known as Jovar. So as you can see, there is a movie of Rani Padmavati. So that is one type of, as you can see, Malik Muhammad Jayasi. So as you can see, this book Padmavati had written by Malik Muhammad Jayasi. In that it is given that the beauty of Padmavati had been depicted in that book, that is Padmavati book, which was written by Malik Muhammad Jayasi. And we should remember the capital of Mewad was Chittorgarh, name changed to Khizrabad. So we should remember Chittorgarh renamed as Khizrabad. And to rule over the south, he had sent Malik Kafur. He is also known as Hazare Dinar. He was being purchased. So what happened is there is a Malik Kafur who had purchased for $1,000, it's 1,000 dinars. That is, Alauddin Khilji has purchased Malik Kafur for 1,000 dinars, and he had sent to south, and he built the Alai Darwaja in Qutub Minar. As you can see to the right of the Qutub Minar, there is an entrance which is known as Alai Darwaja, which is built near Qutub Minar. He was an illiterate king. We should remember, as an Akbar, he is also one of the illiterate king who cannot read and write. And his son Mubarak Khilji made himself as Khalifa, and his Senapati Khusru Khan, that is Nasruddin. He is also known as Nasruddin. He is a Hindu king in Delhi Sultan. That is, Mubarak Khilji was a Hindu king during the time of Delhi Sultan. As you can see, 100 days he had ruled. That is, Khusru Khan had ruled for 100 days and killed Mubarak and made Ghazi Malik as Senapati. So this Khusru Khan made Ghazi Malik as Senapati, and he further, Khusru Khan was killed by Ghazi. That is, from the Ghazi Malik is also known as Ghiyazuddin Tughlaq. So it is next empire, that is Tughlaq dynasty. So this Ghazi Malik who was killed, that is, Khusru Khan was killed by Ghazi Malik. So after this killing of Khusru Khan, Ghazi Malik himself, known as Ghiyazuddin Tughlaq, he had set up a Tughlaq dynasty. The next we will be having Tughlaq dynasty in the next slides. These are the few situations, whoever king have succeeded. We have to remember each and everything. That was step by step. You will remember all those topics. So I hope this will be helpful for you. If you have any queries, you can directly go through whatever has been given in playlist. Thank you. Have a good day. Have a great life. And if you want a PDF of 2100 GK and GS, you can call me on 766730 252. Feel free to call. It is free of cost. Thank you. Have a good day. Have a great life.